Now let's look what he says to Titus. He says, "For this reason I left you in Crete, that you would set in order what remains and appoint elders in every city as I directed you." So Paul is writing to these two people that he's actually giving his legacy to, and he tells them according to their personality, according to what they can do, what they are supposed to do in a specific church. So to Timothy, he's saying, I want you to get people, and what I learned you, what I taught you, I want you to trust and teach them. And to Titus, he says, go and put that church in order. God's household, leaders must be raised. And that's what he said to both of them. I want you to get elders. Because God's household cannot function like it must if we don't have deacons and elders. Leadership starts with self-leadership. It starts with me leading myself. If I can't lead myself, how do I lead other people? So Paul's instruction to the two young men was, Timothy, the truth will set you free from fear. Titus, the truth will set you free from disorder. So now he's speaking with them and he says, guard the gospel, endure hardship, and raise up faithful leaders.